Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the Rago Fabrication install video. Today we're going to be installing the Modular factory rail support systems and this GX470. We're going to show you how to install the carriage bolts. These slide right in. It'd be good as done. We make quite a bit of accessories for these, for awnings to Yakima racks to high-level jack mounts, anything you want. So let's get started. So to start this install, we're going to take off these two back covers. I removed the other one, and what you're going to do is get a plastic screwdriver. I don't have one on me, so I'm going to use this flathead. And you're just going to gently, there's a tab here and tab here, you're going to push down on this and just roll it up. Once it rolls up, you're going to drag this down and clip the other one, and it's going to pop right out. And then you're going to take it off and set this aside. Next step is we're going to get 10 carriage bolts. We're going to grab it and we're going to put them in the slot. Then we're going to spread them out, space them out evenly, about 5 inches apart, somewhere around there, all the way down the rail to accommodate our slats dropping in. While I'm up here, I'm just going to go ahead and reinstall our plastic piece. I'm just going to slide it back in this groove. Okay. Clip it in. And I already installed the bolts on this side. I'm going to go ahead and install that plastic piece. In there good. And then I'll show you how to slide in our slats. We slid in our carriage bolts. We went ahead and installed the 4 of the 5 modular roof racks, and you're just simply going to spread them out so they're even. You're going to get it, line them up on the carriage bolts, push them down, get your stainless washers with your serrated lock nut. Another one on this side. That concludes our install video of these low profile mounts. These are really easy to install. They're very low profile. It retains a factory look. You can park in your garage or understructure with these. They're a really good alternative to buying a full roof rack. We make tons of accessories for these at RagoFabrication.com. We make high-lift jack mounts. We make awning mounts for the side. We make mounts for the Yakima, so you can put a bike rack up here, a kayak rack, or anything like that. We make all other mounts that you can accessorize with. Go check it out at RagoFabrication.com. We also have a Facebook group, Rago Cool Kids, as well as a Rago Fabrication Facebook group. You can check out our YouTube video and tons of install videos. We make a lot of products for this, such as molly panels, ditch brackets, rock sliders, CB antenna mounts, and we continue to make more products for the GX. Go check us out, and hope your day is great.